Looking for the perfect breakfast? This 1500-watt breakfast sandwich maker might just be your new best friend. Today, I'm diving into this amazing breakfast gadget that makes delicious custom sandwiches in just 5 minutes. Key features. Let's break it down. Quick and easy. Just 4 simple steps. You can whip up a custom sandwich faster than your favorite drive-thru. Dual maker. It makes 2 sandwiches at once, perfect for busy mornings or extra guests. Custom creations. Whether you want low-carb or protein-packed, the included recipe book is full of tasty ideas to try out. Easy cleanup. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. I've tried everything from classic egg and cheese to mini omelets packed with veggies. I even used regular hamburger buns. No limits here. It cooks evenly and is sturdy enough for daily use. It doesn't have an on-off switch, so you'll need to unplug it, but it heats up super fast. Looking to maximize your kitchen space? Check out this over-the-sink dish drying rack. This adjustable 3-tier dish drying rack is a game changer for any kitchen, and it's got a ton of features. Let's dive in. Large capacity, with 7 drying baskets on the top tier. This rack offers vertical storage without cluttering your countertops, all in one organizer. Use it over the sink or on the counter. Water drains directly into the sink, keeping your kitchen tidy and organized. Adjustable width. Customize the rack from 33.8 to 41.5 inches to fit your space perfectly. Just use the knob screws to lock it in place. Easy assembly. Comes with a step-by-step guide so you can set it up in minutes, no extra tools needed. Built to last. Made from premium metal with a sleek black finish. This rack is sturdy and features suction cups for added stability. I was worried it might collapse, but I've loaded it with heavy pots and pans, and it holds strong. It saves so much counter space and even looks great in my kitchen. One small note. I'd love a bigger utensil caddy, but I easily repurpose one of the smaller racks. Bright kitchen with coffee setup. Hey coffee lovers, today I'm reviewing the 177 Coffee Mat, your new coffee bar essential. First up, it's super absorbent and quick drying. No more worrying about spills. This mat soaks up coffee or milk in seconds, keeping your countertop clean and tidy. Show wiping the mat easily and cleaning, a breeze. With its special Pew surface, stains hide away. Just wipe or rinse, and it's good as new. Worried about slipping? The anti-slip rubber backing keeps it securely in place while the waterproof base protects your tabletop from any leaks. Demonstrate noise reduction by shaking the Coffee Maker Plus. It reduces noise. The 0.3-inch thick elastic rubber absorbs vibrations, making your coffee-making process a little quieter. Show various uses of the mat. This mat isn't just for coffee makers. Use it for blenders, dish racks, or anywhere you need quick drying and style. Final shot. Mat in a beautiful coffee setup. It looks adorable on my coffee bar and adds a pop of style to my kitchen. So if you're looking to upgrade your coffee setup, the 177 Coffee Mat is a must-have. Closing text. Like and subscribe for more coffee tips. Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you the Edic City 0.1 grams food kitchen. Scale, your new best friend for cooking and baking. First up, precision. This scale measures down to 0.1 grams for items under 1,000 grams. Perfect for those detailed recipes where every gram counts. Show the bowl being flipped up and down and check out this practical bowl. It flips up for easy use and down for compact storage. Plus, it's detachable, so you can mix right on the scale. Talk about space saving. Versatile measuring is key. This scale can handle up to 11 lbs and offers 5 different units: ounces, pounds, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters. Great for everything from baking to portioning pet food. Worried about readability? The large backlit display makes it easy to see your measurements, even in low light. The scale is multifunctional. Whether you're weighing meat, coffee, or even jewelry, it's got you covered. Durability is a plus. I spilled water on mine, and it dried out and worked perfectly afterward. Overall, this scale is an excellent value for any kitchen. Closing, like and subscribe for more kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share. If the gadget's to buy, then the link in description.